Hello everybody, in this video we're going to look at the generative fill in Photoshop. This is beta version of Photoshop, so I need to install another Photoshop in order to be able to use it, and basically it now give us the option to use prompts in order to create anything we like. So basically we need to use select. So for example, let's do something like select the eyes, all right, of this dog. Oh, I didn't use plus, just a second. Select both of them. And we generative fill, and we just write, let's say, blue eyes. And click generate. Now the cool thing is that it gives us several options, you know, like other type of things like Midjourney, you know, when you have different options. But here, because it gets embedded inside Photoshop, and of course it's in context of the image, you can have different options. So as you can see here, I can click here and have different options I can choose. All right, I can click generate. Some things could really be better than others. And again, just more options. All right. Let's go and choose, for example, these ones. Choose here. Right, and we're gonna write oh, by the way, I should have chosen the layer. By the way, create a separate layer, so it's not destructive. So just gonna show you, I can just remove, because it's another masked layer, right? So if I see, that's what it created, right? So I can just remove it if I like to. Right? I'm gonna go back to the original layer and say horns instead of ears, right? And click generate. I'll just give it more space basically to generate the content, because it's going to be orange, it's going to be pretty long. Otherwise, you're just going to feed the place, because it's going to fill in the selected area. So we're going to get something, right? And I can choose different ones. I like that one better and better. You can actually vote as well. All right, and again, this is separated. I can just remove the eyes and the horns for each layer, and see how it goes. Yeah, right. And let's do more things. Let's say. By the way, we can remove, for example, this part. There's also another option. If you go here and do remove tool, this is another new thing. We can just go and extend this. All right, so if you want to remove it, you can just go removal tool, right? And then I can select this thing. It wasn't that good, to be honest. Here, let's just try to patch this. All right, fine. So here we have another image. We're just gonna go and select this area around this person a bit more, and let's write agree based on the surroundings. All right, so if you just leave it there and generate, it's going to be kind of a fill-in, so default. So wolf overlooking, it's not a river, never mind, the river. Maybe it will do, it's supposed to do well, because it does it based also on the surrounded details. That's beautiful. Let's see more options. Oh, that's nice. That's so cool. That's beautiful. There's some personality. That's cool. Right, blend very well. That's cool. Lighting over here. With the light with the shadows, I think it's actually adjusted based on the shadows. It's coming from here. Yeah, it looks like the lighting as well. Yeah. You can see, by the way, the variation on the right. You can actually generate. I can generate more. So let's just generate more. You're gonna. I mean, you're just doing it on the same layer because it's a generative layer. So it gives me probably more options that I can use. All right, so I have more now. Oh, that's so cool. Ah, this is amazing. That's so beautiful. Nice. All right, first of all, just so you know, I can always remove that because it's just created as a separated layer. So if I go here, you can see that separated layer. So it's not non-destructive, basically. I can just switch back when I want to. All right, cool. The thing is that probably, oh my God, water creature. Let's wave with the lasso. All right, and I can just copy from the layer. All right, and still have the right amount of. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's do something. I'm just going to copy to a new layer. All right. Yeah, so just a quick look. There are endless ways that you can do with it, whatever you like. Again, endless ways you can be creative with it. Just toying around first time with it, and you can see it's really, really fun. And really, these are the tools that we need now in Photoshop. Hopefully, they will get better, more precise, and even more something with contextualizing based on other type of layers. So we can kind of mix and match, and I can tell one layer relative to the other. Like if I want the monster to look, for example, at the wolf eyes, you need to recognize that there's an object like a wolf, and just adjust everything accordingly. But probably in a later version, we're maybe going to see something like that. But yeah, the future is bright. So this is a really amazing because you get the option to enjoy all the amazing editing tools in Photoshop alongside AI. This is just the perfect match. We just needed to be better, more accurate, faster, and with more different options that are just perfect for image editing with some contextualizing with layers. And already right now it feels amazing, but of course just going to get better and better. So this is it for this video. Again, keep in mind what you see here, you need to download, this is of the time making this video, the beta version of Photoshop to use this generative AI in Photoshop. And yeah, just if you already Creative Cloud subscriber like I am, just go and download the beta and test it out yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheers.